period of time, a significant issue may gradually develop in the washing machine's external drain hose, which is an unexpected anomaly in its normal functioning. This could be caused either by a constriction that forms in the hose, which can then lead to a tear or a crack in the hose, resulting in water leakage. Alternatively, there could also be a buildup of sediment inside, which in any case would prevent the drain from functioning properly. In this video, therefore, we will cover how to practically replace the drain hose and thus restore the proper functioning of the washing machine. The first thing we will obviously do is disconnect the power supply, the water inlet, and the drain hose from the washing machine. Next, we will need to tilt the washing machine onto its side, specifically onto the side where the drain hose is located. In fact, if we follow the washing machine's drain hose, starting from the point where it is connected to the wall drain or siphon, we notice that the drain hose enters the washing machine, basically at the lower part, either on the right or the left. And even though in some models it may happen that the drain hose is positioned at the top, in any case, we are now going to carefully lay the washing machine down on its side and proceed precisely to replace the part. Following the length of the drain hose from the back of the unit, we can clearly see that it enters the main body of the washing machine, and as it goes further inside, it connects directly with the drain pump assembly. This allows us to access the internal components more easily for the repair. So, to replace it, we first need to loosen it from this side here. We will then need to release this spring that is located inside here. We need to press this spring so that we can slide it off. Okay, and remove it. Here's the spring, by the way. Now let's pull the hose outward so we can take it out. And now that we have everything ready, we can also pull the old hose out directly from the inside of the washing machine housing. Once that is done, let's carefully insert the brand new replacement hose starting from this point here. Before you actually go ahead and slide it all the way into its final connection position, we need to make sure that we put the metal ring, which is the locking spring, back onto the end of the hose to secure it properly. The flexible hose is now carefully reconnected to the main drain outlet, right there, of the washing machine. As we can clearly see in this view, the hose is now securely reattached to the drain pipe for proper drainage. Everything is back in place. Now we need to open up the spring and clamp it down in this position. Alright, now that we have reached this stage of the installation, you can see that the hose is very tightly secured and properly seated. It is now firmly and reliably attached to the main drain pump connection point, ensuring there are no leaks. Moving forward, we can proceed to carefully fasten the entire length of the hose directly to the sturdy washing machine metal frame by using a heavy-duty plastic cable tie to keep everything in its proper place.